ladies and gentlemen. A quick tour of the media room before I get started. I'm doing the Logitech Harmony 890 remote with RF, it's radio frequency capability. This is the media room right here. That's the seat where I sit. That's the mouse and the keyboard right there. They use Bluetooth technology. That's the extra ottoman for an F company. This is the monitor right here. It's a 50-inch plasma. This is where I display everything. Right now you see the computer feed, but it does the PS3 and the 360 as well, as you will see shortly. As far as the speakers go, it's a 5.1 surround setup. It's the right speaker there flushed to the ceiling. That's the center speaker. That's the left speaker right there. That's the surround left. And that's the surround right. So the surrounds are flanking the main listening position. Alright, now let's get to it. This is the star of the show. This is the media closet right here. In here you see the Beast computer. I highlight that in other videos. That's a secondary monitor, 26-inch monitor that I never use because this does pretty much everything I need it to. Alright, down here, that's the Xbox 360. This is the Onkyo TX-SR 607 AV receiver. This is the Xbox 360 Elite that got the red rings of death. So this one is normally downstairs, but I need to send it in to get repaired. That's the PS3 right there. Yeah, so these are the controllers and everything. Behind there is a subwoofer, the 12-inch Onkyo subwoofer. It's heavily made and it's spiked, so there's no reverb when it shakes. So it makes for a very solid home theater experience. But right here, this is the remote, the Logitech Harmony 890, and this works with this right here. This lets me control all the devices you see behind this closet door. This lets me control the PC. I mean, not the PC, the PlayStation 3. So here I can close the door, but I'm still going to be controlling everything that you see. Alright, so it's all in there. You don't hear anything. All you see is the monitor and that. So let it begin. Okay, here we are. Figured I'd start with the PS3. You see the Harmony remote. It's a Logitech Harmony 890 model with the RF capability. So if you take a look here, I hope you guys can see it. The activities are the PC here, the Sonos digital music system here, play Xbox 360, play PS3. So right now I'm on PS3, and the great thing about this is they have the adapter, so I can use this remote and control the PS3. See? I can go where I need to go. If I want to go ahead and watch a video, like here, let me hit the 300 trailer. It'll start it. I can control the volume and everything. It controls every device. And I can pause it just by hitting the pause button right here. If I want to go ahead and get out of that, just hit the PS button right there, hit that, boom, it takes me to the main menu right here. So I can go to anywhere else I might want to go to. If I want to start, say, listening to music, I can just, just start listening just because. It's Damian Gong Marley. So you can flip through it. Out in the streets, they call it and again, pause it. Okay, so that's the PS3. Now, say I want to switch to the 360. I go down to play Xbox 360. I go ahead and hit that button, and it'll take care of everything. It controls the TV, the 360, the AV receiver. So now here's the 360. So that's signing on. Oh, if you have 360 Xbox Live, my gamer tag is King Tool, KINGTOOL. So if you play Halo 3 or anything, I'm on there. So signing in right now. Takes a little while because I use the wireless adapter. Okay, now I'm on. Again, you see me using this remote. I can go up to the video, use Netflix, or just check, what's on my what's on my Xbox. So say I want to go here. What videos do I have? Video library. Go to download videos, and I could, see any video that I have right here. We could go with the Transformers trailer, just cause. Click that, hit play.
Ended up right behind you here. It sounded like several sonic booms.
At 0900, Saxon Forward Operations Base in Qatar.
Okay, just paused it, and I'm going to get out of it, hitting B, hitting B. Alright, now I want to go ahead and go to my computer, hit the activities button, and then I go to the Media Castle PC. So I go in and hit that button, it shuts off the 360. That takes to the PS3. Well, I just happen to be on my YouTube page, so anyway. If you're watching this, you like the video, subscribe, why not? So alright, so that's the computer.